Road still back off the mark a little bit all alliance, but safely enough away there as the mobile arms fold in there, which is good to see. Camwood Easy holds up from all alliance. Out wider still, working across them there will be Guerrilla Warfare, although poking through. All alliance will take up the running. Sondell's come through from the second line, and it will take up the running now. Sondell, it's pressed on the older horse and takes up the running from all alliance. Camwood Easy relegated back there to three back the pegs there at the moment. Racing up into the death, I'm pretty sure it's Guerrilla Warfare, and the other one causing friction on its back. And then last of all there for Beck Bartley aboard the Russell Thompson prepared Manuela. They head down the back, and up in front it is Sondell. Pushed through, did start off the second row but continued on with that run and took up the running there. Racing outside it, I'm pretty sure it's David Aiken aboard with Guerrilla Warfare. Then All Alliance is on the leaders back there, racing three back the pegs Camwood Easy. The other Aiken runner is second last there, causing friction. And last of all there at the moment is Manuela. They kept back to where they started from, and Sondell, as I said, rushed through from the second row and kept them rolling along at even speed here. And they're about to go Indian file here as Sondell up in front leads them down to get the chimes of the bell from All Alliance on the leaders back. Camwood Easy races three back. They'll have 1,000 to go when the bell chimes. Racing in turn fourth there is Guerrilla Warfare. Racing in turn on its back is the Josh Aiken driven causing friction. And last of all is Manuela. They put the bell behind him, and up in front Sondell. He's not waiting for them, got them rocking and rolling a long way out and leads down towards the 800 metre peg, about a length and 3/4 clear from All Alliance, leading up the two-year-olds. Camwood Easy there in third spot, then Guerrilla Warfare from the back now, and off around him there is Manuela, and relegated to last of all there will be causing friction. They head down the back though, and Sondell at the 600 holds a commanding break of 8 to 10 metres clear of All Alliance. Done a good job in second spot from Camwood Easy. The run from the back there continues to improve. Manuela trying to hook onto it there at the moment will be causing friction, and Guerrilla Warfare inside at the stablemate. At the past the 400 though, and Sondell still full of running and shows the way clear. All Alliance still at 4 or 5 metres away. Camwood Easy just holding down third at the moment. Down the outside, Manuela put in that long sustained run there in the straight here though, and it's Sondell in front. All Alliance is making ground on the inside. Sondell in front, All Alliance, Camwood Easy. It's going to be a slogging finish. Sondell will hold on. Sondell holds on and beats Camwood Easy for mine. Maybe the outside horse there on there causing, it was Guerrilla Warfare, I beg your pardon, might have got third from inches away, All Alliance on the inside. Then down about another 8 metres away there was Manuela, and the last one to pull up was